Welcome to Mobile Shorts. Learn it fast, build it right, with the ServiceNow mobile app. Get ready. We're about to show you how to create a mobile app in less than 90 seconds. Let's walk through the steps to set up your out-of-the-box field service mobile app. Log in to your ServiceNow instance, go to Plugins, search for Field Service Mobile, and click Install. That's it. Your app is ready to use. Here's how easy it is to install the Field Service Mobile plugin. Just a few clicks, and you're done. Now let's take a look at the Field Service mobile app. Out-of-the-box features give your team what they need, right at their fingertips. You can see all your tasks and navigate to any of them. Open a task, review the details, and decide to accept or reject it. Check comments, view your work inventory, look up parts, and stay on top of notifications and articles. And just like that, you're ready to go. You'll find a full set of out-of-the-box mobile plugins, covering IT, HR, field services, and more. Put your ServiceNow license to work and unlock its full value. Here are helpful resources to get the most out of the ServiceNow mobile platform. Scan the QR codes to learn more and explore what's possible.